If you're still trying to force an Etsy shop to work, launching a Shopify store with mugs that say girl boss, or building a course that no one asked for, I say this with love, you are wasting your time. And I know because I've done all of it. Etsy, tried, courses, made them, YouTube, clearly. I even spent $1,000 on a coaching program that taught me how to be an online coach, and still didn't make any money. I've sunk so much time and money into all these viral, popular online income strategies, and for the most part, they gave me nothing but stress and a drained bank account. So today I want to talk about the #1 way to make money that works for 99% of people, especially if you're stuck in your 9-to-5 job, watching your paychecks disappear while you try every side hustle under the sun. But here's the thing, it's not flashy, it's not passive, but it's real. And it's called freelancing. Let's get into it. Actually, before we get into it, if you could do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button down below. I am trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of my 119-day challenge, and I only have about 60 days left. Social media makes it seem like making money online is super easy. Start a dropshipping store, launch a digital product, sell Canva templates, teach a course, and somehow automatically make all this passive income. But what they don't tell you is that these things take hundreds of hours, thousands of dollars, and basically a blood sacrifice to the algorithm to maybe eventually start paying off. Here's just a short list of those quick, easy ideas that are actually exhausting and expensive. Dropshipping, Etsy, print on demand, Shopify, Amazon, YouTube, Canva templates, selling courses, affiliate marketing, TikTok shop, coaching, just grow an audience online, and whatever AI hustle that TikTok's obsessed with this week. But the truth is that these are not easy, get started today passive income stream builders. They actually require one of two things right away. Number one, a highly developed skill set, or number two, the money to outsource, run ads, or buy your way into shortcuts. And even if they don't cost actual money, they'll still cost you something even more important, your time. And time isn't just money, it's energy. It's your nights, your weekends, your time with your family. It's your peace. Freelancing, on the other hand, you get paid for your first hour and your last hour. When I started almost 4 years ago, my first client was a friend of a friend, and I was getting paid just $20 an hour. And the crazy part is, this was to help with something that I'd never even done before. But I figured it out, I delivered, and I got paid. And I've been freelancing ever since on my terms. I've taken 5-week-long trips across the world. I've stepped away when my health needed attention. I've had heavy work seasons and slow seasons, and every time I've been able to pick it back up again. Freelancing is what's allowed me to have this freedom. And the best part is that anybody can do it. And you don't need a pre-decided niche, a giant audience online, a perfect product, or a $1,000 program. You just need a skill someone needs and the willingness to show up and deliver it. But if you're thinking right now, okay, but I don't have any skills, let me gently challenge that, because you probably do. If you've ever organized a spreadsheet, made a Canva post, written even a decent email, captioned a TikTok, run an errand for someone, or even been the go-to person for something at your current job, you already have freelance potential. Here are just a few freelance services that people pay for every single day. Virtual assistants, writing and editing, social media management, graphic design, web design, copywriting, podcast editing, captioning videos, customer service support, admin tasks, inbox and calendar management, and even data entry. But the beautiful thing is that freelancing isn't just online services. It's also things like running errands, cleaning or organizing homes, helping with event setup, painting or handiwork, babysitting, photography, tutoring, even dog walking or pet sitting, which I used to do myself. If you're already doing something for any company, or even just your friends and family, there is a good chance you could offer that thing on your own and start making money today. At the end of the day, freelancing just means getting directly paid for your time and skills, and that can look 100 different ways. So if you're in the 9-to-5 right now and you want out like yesterday, then I want you to listen to this. You don't need to spend your time, your nights, your weekends trying to build some big passive income machine that may or may not ever make you a dime. You don't need to burn through your minimal paychecks you're already receiving to fund a business idea that might just end you back at zero. You just need to start getting paid for your time. That's what freelancing is all about. And it's not just me. I know so many people doing this successfully in my life. One of my best friends just quit her corporate job in New York City and now is freelancing full-time remotely. And one of my other best friend's husbands actually runs his own demolition business after working under someone else for years. And honestly, after working with dozens of business owners and entrepreneurs, I've seen that most of them are only working with contractors and freelancers now. And they're not planning to hire traditional employees anytime soon. The work is out there. People and businesses need your support. And freelancing isn't just gonna go away anytime soon. It's how modern businesses get things done. You just have to go out there and start. So if you've tried almost every side hustle and nothing has stuck, it is not because you're not working hard enough. And it's also not because you're not cut out for entrepreneurship or online business. The problem is that a lot of what's being sold online as a passive income stream isn't actually a starting point. It's a later step that you could eventually get to. But freelancing is the easiest, most straightforward path to making money online or in person, just on your own terms. And I think it's the best path if you're looking for something that's flexible and sustainable long term. So after hearing all about this, are you considering freelancing? If so, I want you to drop a comment down below and let us know what skill you are going to offer this week to start freelancing. And if you don't know where to start, then I want you to check out this video next where I talk about the 5 steps to start freelancing this week. But that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.